Welcome to your guide on the Ninja Prestige Smart XL Air Fryer and Countertop Oven. This smart countertop oven can deliver family-size meals fast, without compromising performance. It also looks great on your countertop. With Smart Surround Convection, our high-velocity fan and rear heat source combine to completely surround food for all-around crisp. Unlike other countertop ovens, this oven not only has heating elements on the top and bottom, but there's a third zone of heat hidden around the fan, which helps make the cooking truly surround. Even cooking and on 2 levels with no rotation, flipping, or shaking. Once you choose one of the 10 functions, including whole roast, air fry, bake, dehydrate, broil, toast, bagel, pizza, or reheat, the digital rack guide shows you the optimal placement for the food. When entertaining, you can choose maximum capacity. Cooking just for yourself? You can just leave it at 1 level. Pressing the 2-level button, however, changes the digital rack guide to show the best placement for cooking on both levels. Now you are ready to start cooking. Be sure to check out our recipe video or any of the recipes we have online at ninjatestkitchen.com.